Well, boys, I was having third thoughts about posting this, but I figure, it'll show you how fast, stuff can happen. Just like crashing my truck, that could have been the end of her. Blink of a cigarette, gone. But anyway, it's a good thing crawdad was there to friggin' render assistance, and we got the ambulance called and the family notified and everything, and yeah. Pesco gives somebody a hug for they're upside down in the turnips, friggin' taking ambulance rides and shit.
Need an ambulance? Need an ambulance? No. Just a minute. You have a cloth this guy just wiped out, he's bleeding all over. You want to sit up? Oh, like thumb too? Oh, good lord. Okay, sit up.
Should we, is somebody home? Is somebody home?
Holy shit, I'm sure.
I'm gonna go
He's
grab
got his thumbs all cut up too.
Oh, fuck.
His legs all fucking ended. We couldn't fucking bring what we got.
Okay, should we load him up into the hospital?
You say you didn't want to go.
Oh, look at him now. I want to put it on the angle.
Well, we can roll them maybe if we set it. We can set them down here. We can roll them up on the tree. If we come behind me here, and then we'll set them right down here.
That helps, Chris.
What are you doing? He was walking down the sidewalk and I think he tripped on this and he just rolled it.
Oh, it's all over. Oh my God. Oh, what, you want to get up? Huh?
Just relax for a minute.
Just relax. Just roll them on level. On the level side. That's good. Oh, boy.
We should message Hadley and get somebody's number so we can call somebody for him.
Get you out of that car. Alright, bring it to the
Just gonna take the coat off you while you're standing, okay? Turn towards my partner there. Perfect. Here you go. Here.